Guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. I'm today going to improve my flying skills with the plane just to get used to the plane itself, and also trying to improve my landing, takeoffs, and the entire circuit pattern, so that I'm not like really anxious. Currently I'm very anxious because it's the after I'm using these gears for the very first time. Before I used to play in with a keyboard or something, and so this time I'm with a proper yoke. So I wanted to put in more hours as much as I can to improve my takeoff and landing and overall flying experience. The entire thing has to be smoothened up, so it cannot be done in like one or two attempts, so it need a couple of attempts. So today I'm taking a Cessna 152 in Knox County Regional Airport, Rockland, Maine. So the wind is at 270 degrees 2 knots, so the good runway is 31, runway 31. So that's why I'll get a slight headwind. So I'm planning to take that runway, start the plane from cold and dark from the gate, and then let's taxi and let's see how the pattern goes. Wish me luck. I need to make sure that my mixture and throttle are low to zero. That's what I meant. And landing gear down, even though that it doesn't have a landing gear. And nose wheel, the trim wheels are neutralized, flaps are zero, and then the battery and avionics master switches are turned off, and all the other beacon, strobe, landing lights are all off as well. So yeah, so you can see the wind is at 272 knots, and let it come back. So range is 450 nautical miles. Wow, this is one of the most, okay, so here you guys can see the wind and the time, and Cessna 152 is like the most produced plane, most flown plane ever, and it's a best trainer airplane. So let's go and fly today. Yes. Actually, I wanted to fly in Comanche. Comanche is a more harder plane to fly with, and it's also a higher fidelity. Cessna is much easier on you, so I just wanted to get good in Cessna first, then Comanche, and also the Cessna 310R from Melvis. So that's also there. Very exciting twin engine plane that you guys saw in the previous videos. Yeah, so let's remove the yoke for better visibility, and boom. So we can turn the battery on. Battery on. Alternator doesn't have to be on now, maybe later after turning on the engine. Let's prime the engine thrice. Parking brake is set, and the nose wheel trim should be in takeoff position. Let me adjust that. Awesome. So it's good. Let's give the mixture full and throttle a bit, and what else? The fuel shut off valve, let it be off. And is there anything else that we need to do? Nothing much though. Carb heat is something that you turn on when you're in the middle of clouds or in a very cold time, where it could freeze up the carburetor, where the fuel is mixed with air in the engine. So I don't think we need it. And let's put the takeoff flap of 10 degrees. That's nice. And let's go ahead and turn on the engine. let's try one more time. Okay, the engine is not turning on for some reason. I'm guessing it's probably the fuel shut-off valve, which I thought should be in off position. Maybe it should be in on position. That's why it's not doing its thing. So let's try one more time. Let's see. Awesome, it works. Awesome. All mirrors on, and let's turn on all the beacon strobe, nav lights and stuff. Yep. We introduced RPM 2000, which you guys can see here. Nice. So let's go out once. Not totally used to the rudder though. It still feels so weird. I always end up pressing like the toe brakes rather than giving the rudder itself. Because used to driving the trucks in Euro Truck Simulator with this Logitech Thrustmaster gears. So you always get that habit of pressing the accelerator or gear, so you're not awesome. So we could hold short here, but I'm not doing procedures of like doing the checklist or anything, pre-takeoff checklist. We're just gonna fly, take it easy on ourselves. And I have just one goal, just to take off safely and land safely and follow the pattern as much as I can and slowly improve on it. Awesome, guys. Press the toe brake fully, so let's go full throttle. balance turn, I guess. But yeah, I think I'll practice that more. Landing was good, takeoff was good, but overall flying in the crosswind and downwind was bad, and even turning up base. The turning part is something that I think I can improve. So let me practice this more and get back to you. So see you guys in another video where I put more hours flying Cessnas, and then I'll keep you posted, and hopefully you guys can see some improvement in my flying. And see you once again. Bye.